When we're in a substation working on top of a transformer, we have to have a fall arrest system. This green pole here is our fall arrest pole that we've had in service for probably over 20 years. The situation came where these need to be replaced. These are not manufactured anymore, so we started looking elsewhere in the industry for fall arrest systems that mounts to our transformers via a 2-inch boss. So once we decided to go with this type system, we realized that we didn't want to go back to over 600 transformers and cut off the existing 2-inch bosses, especially when there was anywhere from 4 to 8 of these on top of each transformer. We knew we were going to go with this new style pole. The issue was the way it mounts is completely different. So we had to come up with an adapter plate. I took this plate and I took it to my shop and I started working on some ideas to adapt this to the current 2-inch boss on top of the transformers. And this is what I came up with.
Typically with ideas, people think about them, but in this situation, Bob came with a fully built prototype. We didn't have to create that idea. I was just there to help facilitate the math behind it. Once the math was completed, we needed to reverse engineer the product and create usable drawings in order to replicate the device. Now we have 50 of these units that we have distributed to the field to use.
This will allow us to not have to modify any of our transformers. We can now go to one fall arrest system on all of our transformers with the use of this adapter.
I think the best part about innovation and the way this came about was that the field folks saw a need that they had. They came up with the device so everybody could have any idea that can help them perform their work better, and we all have that ability.
So it felt pretty good to be able to take something like this that was in my head and develop it and have the support of our engineering team to get behind it and help me with the process and to make it a good, reliable, usable piece that our whole field team can use.